We'll guide you through how to transfer money from PayPal to a bank account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can see here I've got some money in my PayPal account, and what I want to do is go and get it into my bank account, as I want to go and use my actual bank card. The thing I'm trying to buy, I can't go and use PayPal for. So we'll guide you through how you can go about this. It's much easier you probably think, so let's go and get started. What you want to do is you want to go and head down to the bottom of PayPal, and you want to go and find the option for accounts, like so. Now you want to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for linked banks and cards. You need to make sure you've gone and added the bank account that you want to go and transfer the money to. So if you haven't already, you can press add new to the right, you'll get a pop-up, and you can then press bank accounts. Now what you can do is you can actually go and log into your bank instantly, which is really convenient. So you can do that option, or alternatively, you can go and add it manually, press add bank manually. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to go and enter in the sort code and account number, and you'll then get sent a small deposit and a confirmation code to your bank account. You need to wait a few days potentially if it doesn't come through immediately, and then you can go and enter in the code and it'll go and be linked. After you've gone and successfully linked it, then what you can do is you can come back to your balance, whether that's the top of the accounts page or on the home page as well, and you'll go and find the option for transfer. And what you can do is go and press transfer just here. You'll get this pop up, and then what you can do is find the option transfer to bank. So what you can do is select there. Now what you can do is go and enter in the amount. So by default here, it's actually going to enter the whole amount, but you may only want to go and take out a small amount if you just want to go and spend that small amount, or there may be another reason. So I could go and do £10, let's say, then you can go and press done. So at the top here, you've got the different options. I've got in minutes, which is no transaction fee. There is 2 to 3 days, but of course you're going to want to go for the faster option. So I'll select that there. If you've got multiple bank accounts, it's super important you select the right one. Otherwise, the money is going to go to the wrong account. So you can go and see I've got my Santander selected here, which is the one I want to go and use, but you could change that if you wanted to. Then what you can do is when you're ready is press the transfer button at the bottom, go and wait, it's now loading, and it shouldn't take long. And as you can see, the money is now on its way. In most situations, I found this comes very quickly, almost immediately. If I go and refresh now, the balance will go and decrease. And on my bank, it's probably going to have come through already. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.